Here we see the majestic Purple Finch arriving at a brand new food oasis, Crystal's Bird and Squirrel Diner. A bold move, but where are the regulars?
Hello? Where is everyone? This place is amazing. Buffet style, no wait time, and no pigeons hogging the good stuff.
Crystal's Bird and Squirrel Diner, the hottest new spot on the block. With only 48 more subscribers, this avian hangout can go live. That's right, real-time beak-to-beak action, drama, romance, acorn thefts, all uncensored.
So, if you're watching this and you're not subscribed, what are you doing with your feathers? Hit the button, people.
Will others follow? Will the feeder stay squirrel-free? Will Barry the Blue Jay bring drama next week? Subscribe to find out.